Okay, let's continue with this plumbing drawing. So I just finished the sanitary, so let's go to the vent system on the 4th level for this particular bathroom. Okay, so just the opposite of the sanitary. To get the waste out, you use your vent system to bring air into the building. And the best way to do that is to look above your plan to see what walls are available. Okay, I'm going to do that by double clicking on the 5th level vent, and it's down here. Okay, so these are the walls that are available, it looks like. I'm going to go back. Vent system. Okay, so let's get our vent system. View, let's go systems, piping, pipe, drain waste vent. Our system type is vent. Got a 2-inch vent. No, elevation is 9, so it should be okay. Should be okay. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna come over here, come here, and I go up 30. Okay, and let's apply that. Okay, so here's the 4th level. Let's go to the 5th level and see how close we get to the vent. Okay, there's our vent system. So we can, and let's go one more because we need to bring air in. That means we need to go to the roof. So let's go to the green roof and see. Oh, we're here. So I don't want that. There's no way to get all the way up into the roof area. You see this? There are no walls. So what's going to have to happen, let's go back to the vent. After we get here, after we get on the 5th level, but not so high as that we penetrate the roof, I'm going to see if I can tie the vent system into this vent, because we don't want to put too many holes in the roof, guys. Okay, so if we can, see if I can tie this vent into this existing vent. It's on the 5th level. Yeah, okay. So I think that what I'm gonna do, let's go back to the vent system, and let's go here. Let's get our 3D view. I don't want to show any of the architect's drawings, so I'm going to turn it off. And let's just look at our drawing. Let's see, what have we got here? I'm on the 4th level. That's the 5th level. Okay, which 4th? We are here. Okay, let's go down. No, we don't need to go down because we're going up. What I want to do is take that off and just have a riser, which is here. Okay, and from here I'm going to go over and connect, because I can't continue. There's nothing here to continue. Let's go back to the vent system. Do I want to? Let's move this. I don't know. Somewhere over here. Let's go back to the vent. So let's put it, we're gonna put it in the wall. We have to put it in the wall. Gonna go up, okay. And that's perpendicular. The view range is perpendicular to the wall, so it should be okay to look at. And we need to go to that view. And let's look at our, so this is our vent. It's going up in the wall. Okay, but before we get through to the roof, I'm gonna turn this. you guys can see, let me come down a little bit and go over. Looks like I can go under this beam, which is another thing. And let me turn on the HVAC. Let's turn on, okay, HVAC is on, and I want to make my view range tight. Come in, I want to go here. Tight meaning I don't want, if there's a HVAC or electrical or structural somewhere, I don't want to see it. So I'm going to bring this guy in as close as I can. That way, any obstruction that I see now is going to be too close. Okay, looks like I can go under that beam. I don't want to go too far under. Let's go back to the, was it the fifth level? Yeah, fifth vent. Yeah, okay, so we got this. And I want to make sure that I'm not, it might be exposed. You see, on the fifth level, this opening might be exposed. But we'll see what happens. Let's go here. Okay, it's not exposed. It's above the ceiling space. Okay, this is a ceiling compound. Let's turn this. Let's do this. Okay, this compound ceiling. Okay, it tells us. So I think we're gonna, let's go back to the fifth level and like this. I'm gonna go over. Don't know what, I doubt if there's some type of a plumbing chase. That's 2-inch vent, 2-inch vent. This is a 2-inch vent. Okay. Let's do this. Let's make an annotation. Tag. Yeah, I want a free end. Okay. Uh-oh. So this is, you can control this through your, let's do this. Let's go annotate, and the tags, load tags and symbols. And if we go all the way down to pipes, you see that says pipe length, but I'm going to change that to there must be a difference. Pipe size and type 3, my pipe, I think that might be a default. So I'm going to choose this one and say okay. And go back. I'm going to erase this, do my tags again, and it should give me my tags 2-inch. Okay. And you can control the leader by going here and doing the edit type. And that is a loop 116. So back to my drawing. So it's above the ceiling, it's above the ceiling. Let's go over, I think I picked that up. Let's go section here and go section. And it must be, let's bring this out a little bit. Okay, so that's the space, this space and that space. Okay, that's what we're seeing. And I don't know what that is, but I'm sure that's some type of a wall. Interior, see, that's an interior wall. Let's go back. This one is good. And what we're going to need to do is just make sure that the two, so you can pick this, right? Go over to your middle elevation and Control C. You can go here and you can do another middle elevation and Control V. Okay. So there could be some obstructions sometimes. That doesn't, the copy paste works, but you have to be careful that when you do make those sudden movements, that nothing breaks back here. The fittings don't break, or a line doesn't break that's too short. So what we can do we can modify and extend the second pipe with the first. Okay, so that's how that's done. Let's go here, and we're way out here somewhere. Okay, that's the connection that we just made, and that's our system that we're connecting to. And as you can see, the vents are not connected to any of the piping plans. I mean the plumbing fixtures. I don't think it's needed. Let's go find vent, because when you get ready to plot this, this is how it's going to look. You go hidden line and you go medium, okay? And what you can do, let's go print. And visible portion, I don't think that this part matters. This is the part that matters, and you want to be in session or however your office does it. Center, okay. Let's do okay. Nope. Visible portion, I can preview it, and that's how it's gonna look, okay? So, and because I'm not concerned with plumbing fixtures, I'm not concerned with connecting my plumbing fixtures in my vent, okay? Let's go back. So now that we have that connected, okay, so you have to get that, you want to get your air into the building. It depends on how you want to work it, because if you work connecting all of your plumbing fixtures and then it depends on how your strategy is. But now we got air into the building, we're going to connect all of this up. So let's go back to this is the 4th level, and we are going to, I'm going to right click and create similar, but only it's going to be a 1.5 inch vent. 1.5 inch. I think I want to use let's do is that 45? I really can't see it. I think it's 45. I just barely saw it. And this pipe, this vent pipe goes down. Let's go 5 feet. You can go 5, 3. I like to use 5. I don't know why. That's 5 feet from the floor. Okay, so that's going down. You can see that. Let's go here, and medium, let's go hidden. So that's going down. Let's go back one more, this one. Okay, so now we have our shower, and we can bring our shower. We got our shower. Create similar. We can bring our shower and our washer and dryer. Let's get all of this. Okay, so this is the vent going down to pick up the water closet, and that's going to be a 2 inch. Let's go here. I want to go back over here. Okay, so we are over here. Okay, it looks like that. That's how it looks. I'm going to change this to 2 inch. That is a 2 inch. And let's go to the 4th. Create similar. And this is our another Let's come here. 135 is good. And we can go down 5 feet and apply. Okay. I want that to be 9 feet. 9. Yes. And this is 9. That is 9 also. We can come out, this can be however. I think what I'm gonna do, this piping can be however you want it. It's too much. If I wanted to rotate this, okay, so I'm gonna rotate this 45 degrees. Well, create similar. Let's go up here, that's 135, that's good, and go down 5 feet. I didn't want to do that because Revit is not going to let me move it the way I want to move it. Let's go here. Yeah, it's not going to let me do it. Create similar. Let's go here. 135. And then down 5 feet. Apply. Yeah. Okay. So we have that, we have that, we have that, we have that, and everything is gonna connect. I'm gonna go here, draw a pipe. Don't want it to connect here because it's gonna be too high. That could be, what's that, 9? It could be, can be 9. Or it could be lower, but just for connection purposes, I think I'm gonna go down, draw a pipe. We are gonna go down 5 feet and apply. Okay, we can come here, we can come all the way down to here. Okay, now all of this is gonna be connected. Let's look at these two. Man, where is it? I was looking for my sliders, but I got too much. Let's see, what have we got here? Let's see what the difference is. Section, and we are back here. That's going up. This is okay. I think that this is okay. That's that's 2 inch. That's 1.5. I'm gonna change this to a 2 inch. Let's go back and change that to a 2 inch. Okay, and this riser, let's go, where are we here? 5, 3. So all I need to do is bring these guys down a little bit more. We have to look at our degrees of freedom. I like that word, degrees of freedom. So we are going to align pipe 2 with pipe 1. So that's nice. Okay, so we have all of that, and I think that what I can do, let's look at this section 1. That's this one. That can be lower, okay? And I'll connect from the bottom. Or it can be higher. I'm already in the ceiling. So let's do this. Let's go up. No, because I'll be in the floor space? No. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my 4. And what I can do is create similar. here, come off, right? Now what if this was 9? Let's undo that. I'm going to create similar, because it's 9, right? And come here, create similar. I'm gonna go here and go here. Yeah, okay. So that's what happened. Where is it? The section? So it's coming off of here. And now, can I, no, yeah, I'm still in the ceiling space. I can go above because I'm still in the ceiling space. I'm not above the floor, which is here. That's what I was thinking. That somehow, up. No, that wasn't gonna work. That somehow I was in this space, but I'm not. Anywhere along here I can connect. So we are going to, let's go back to 5, 4, yeah. So what we're gonna do now is align the two, okay? So we're going to align the first pipe with the second pipe. We're gonna go back, let's go here, okay? So that's what it looks like. That's what's going on behind the scenes. So we're gonna fill it and extend here, okay? I'm gonna fill it here. Is that a 2-inch? Yeah, okay. And now we can extend here, 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 okay? So that's our vent system. What's this? Oh. Okay. So our vent system, we can go down and for the wash and dryer. Let's go 4. Okay. Same thing. We can go just to make it look good. Consider 1.5. Yes. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the elevation to make that a 5. Change the elevation and then connect to this other pipe from below, okay? Here, we can go over, can we go over just a little bit, just to make it readable. So let's go here, and I'm gonna kind of slide this guy over so we can make that connection, okay? We just made this connection. That's connection we just made. And so I can bring this down just a little bit. And over. Okay, so that looks like something. So when we plot it, okay, we can plot it again. And preview. Preview. Nope. I have to set it up again. Okay, so we are going to plot again. We are going to set this up in session. Oh, I know what happened. Close, close, close. Okay, we have to do this first. And now we can look at our plot and preview. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Just like AutoCAD, right? Except for this section view. Okay, so now you can label it and do all the things that you need to do. All right, okay. So I think I'm gonna stop here and continue. So we have that, and we go to our 5th level, our vent, and we see this in ceiling space. Nobody will notice. It's hooked up, and from here we go up. The vent rises up to our, let's go up. That's our riser, okay? And if we turn on the architect's drawing, we can see it going up through, I hope, because I've already done this on the 5th level, right? So there's our riser, okay? Right there. Let's go back, vent, hard roof. Where is it? Here. Okay. So on this plan, it would be, let's turn this over. So on this plan, annotate and text. Okay, so we can use any of these texts that's available. I like the 2 segment, so we can go here and say 2-inch vent. Say 2-inch vent. Vent through roof. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna stop here. I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.